Hello guys, today I'm going to show how to normal video turn into short video. Nowadays most YouTubers use short videos, then we can get more views, more watch hours and more subscribers. So I'm going to use this video. This is a normal video. uh, you can see. Now I'm going to turn this video into short video. So normally guys, we need to normally shorts video length is 1 minute, that means 60 seconds. So this one is a 2 minutes, more than 2 minutes video, the time duration. So and you can see 1920 and 1080. So we need to change width and height and the time. So for that guys, I'm going to mute this video sound because I'm going to speed up this video. For that I'm going to use right click this one, in go to time, then enable time remapping. You can see these two symbols here and here. I'm going to drag this symbol into back less than 1 minute. uh, you can see in here 55 seconds. So guys, now this video is in up to this point. You can see, wait, now this video end up to this point. It is not playing after this point. So guys, we need to change the timeline duration up to this point. That means 55 seconds. Go to composition and composition settings, then change time 55. Now we need to change width and height. So guys, normally they said 916, but I'm going to use 11. We need to remove this stick, then I'm going to give 1080. Then you need to lock. You can see it's a 11. Press OK. So guys, now we need to change this video. You can see it's changed. Now we need to drag into here. So we need to set up the position to see clear. So normally shorts video play in the mobile phones, so you can play it in the laptop also, but normally play in mobile phones. So now I'm going to drag into here. I'm going to zoom this video, then we can see it clearly in mobile phones. That's why I zoom it. So guys, you can see it to drag this one like this. You can edit video like this. So you can upload the shorts video like using this method. You no need to create a new video. So use this hand icon, then you can see clearly. This is the code. Okay, now you can see up to this point, but it's not clear in here because that coding part not is showing. So then guys, I'm going to cut this video in here, get arrow, get type get use Control Shift D, go to here. Now I'm going to change, we need to see that one clearly. Okay, now we can see. Okay, see, now we can see. If you want to drag into here, okay, now you can see. If you want you can cut it in here. I'm going to cut this video, type Ctrl Shift D, then delete this part. We need to change timeline duration again. You can see 54:23. Go to here, 54 and 23. Okay guys, now I'm going to drag into here this one. So guys, you can normally you can merge this video using keyframe assistant and go to sequence layer, and okay, it's already merged, no need to do that. So I'm going to use this music. I have downloaded it from the YouTube. It's a freely available ones. So if you use others video that music, that mean it's a copyright. So you can use that freely available mp3. So now I'm going to put some like and subscribe button. For that I'm going to change, so I'm going to put this one like this, and okay, now I'm going to drag into here. You can change the time like this. Now I'm going to use this like button, the like button, can use anywhere the clear position. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to put this subscribe one to here. As you can see, and change the size. Okay, so okay guys, think we need to drag in here. Okay, now we need to merge all these parts into one single one. So for that guys, you need to select these all and right click and pre-compose. You can give a name. I'm going to use uh, pyramid, that the video type. So C language, pyramid C. So now you can now render this video, drag and drop to here. So to this render one, then you can go change the format. Normally I use FLV. Then you need to put that tick in here, audio output, so then you can hear the audio. Then press OK. Now you can render it. This takes some time. So guys, this is how to you create a short video using After Effects. Then how to normal video turn into uh, short video. So this is how to do it, guys. So I hope this video is useful for you. So